Hey, what's up, guys? Yeah, we back for a new video. Y'all know how it is. We pre-London, we Monday. It's the first day of the week. So yeah, let's see what price action is gonna do. Today there's cat news, CPI. It's a crazy week this week, not gonna lie, bro. This week, you have PPI, NFP, PMI, NFP. Crazy week, but anyways, my bias is. So previous day didn't manage to close above, but it didn't grab the liquidity. So you gotta be careful with that. It might grab this liquidity before going down, okay? It already swept those previous daily lows. On the 4 hour, you can see there's an imbalance. Beautiful sweep, and it goes up. I think we're bullish for the day. So, and market structure is just telling to go up. Now, what I would love is that it goes down, okay? And then there is like an SMT with the dollar index. Like dollar index grab the liquidity here. And then we go up again, you know? But that's more a continuation trade. So I will see how I'm going to trade it. But I would love a big retracement with an SMT inverse for value gap. Y'all know how it is. Dollar index, I got the same bias, but just, you know, reversed. Where it didn't close under, but didn't manage, like it just didn't manage to close, like grab the liquidity. It's very, very close. Like look how little space, but it didn't sweep it. So it might grab those lows for sure. Also, market structure is clean to go down, not on the 1 hour, but on the higher time frame. It just did a pullback. And gbpusd, same thing. Didn't grab those highs here, even though it didn't close above. And market structure is bullish, so I might be bullish today. The only thing here is it already grabbed the daily highs of today, and USD didn't. So we gotta be very careful with that. So we see what market is gonna do. I'm not gonna wait until something happens. Like I'm not gonna stay recording this. I'm gonna get back right to you guys when I take a trade or when there's like an update. But I'm gonna be very careful with my trades this week, because it's the first week where the US government shutdown is over, and you see there's all those big news releases. So I'm definitely gonna be very careful, especially because it's Monday. So yeah. Okay, guys, a little update. Right now it's doing exactly what I want. It touched also the 0.6 fib level. If I trade continuation, I would have loved if the dollar index went to grab this Asian session highs. But we gotta adapt with the market, you know what I'm saying? So if we find in this zone an SMT and inverse for a value gap, would be fire. Would be totally fire. But right now, don't see anything yet. What a sell-off. What a sell-off. Also the 50-minute and the 30-minute close like this. Right now it's just pure market structure. So let's see what is gonna happen. 630, 430. You grab the same thing, right? Yeah. I'm gonna mark out this. Yeah, it hit the one. On the 1 minute, it grabbed the liquidity. I think dollar index, yeah, it didn't. I'm just very careful with my entry. Maybe on this inversion with a change of character would be fire as an entry. But I'm not sure yet. Gotta see, because on the 5 minute there's a lot of fair value gaps, and that might be a little bit too early to enter just right here. So yeah, God damn it, boys. I'm in a trade after 1 hour and 40 minutes of waiting. Yeah, that was a long time, bro. Not gonna lie, I don't even like the volatility. But alright. So we know there's a bearish fair value gap, a bullish fair value gap. It rejected here on the 15 minutes. I saw a 5 minute change of character, inversion. It did a fair value gap. I waited for it to hit the 0.6 fib level, as you can see here. Went on this bullish price action, stop loss under the fair value gap. And we'll see. I'm gonna aim those daily highs. That will be a crazy RR. I don't know if that's realistic with this volatility. So I will see if I close here or there. Depends on what the trade is gonna do. So let's see. Dollar index had also good volatility. And yeah. Crazy movement. Really, really crazy movement right now. I just hope market is not consolidating. I think here I'm gonna go break even. God damn. This magnet beat so ass sometimes. Here I'm going break even. Market is like, I'm the op of the market. When I enter the trade, sometimes it just goes into drawdown and then it goes to my take profit. God damn it, boys. Hey guys, finally an update. Don't know if I told you guys. I think I did. Anyways, I entered here. Man, bro. Since the second I went in this trade, it went barcode, bro. It went barcode. Right now, I'm moving my stop loss here. Hold on. Under all this liquidity here. I might go break even though, because today is not the best day. I didn't take this trade, by the way, but I would love it to go to those daily highs. So I will see what's gonna happen. If I see the momentum shifts to bearish, I go break even and I call it a day. I would love this 15 minute to close strong, bullish, and we'll see what's gonna happen. Yo, this day is slow as hell. I'm not even gonna lie. Today is slow. So let's see. I really might go break even. You know what? I said here break even. I think I'm gonna go break even. Cause not risking. With a day like this, you cannot predict what's gonna happen. Look how slow market was. So yeah, either it hits my break even point or TP. So I'll update you guys later for sure. Is it really raining? Okay, break even day for me. There's nothing much to say. Today was so bad, bro, but I'm fine with it. Like I said, I risk way more. I risk 3%, so I have to put myself break even way faster. So I can live with that, and we move on. I don't think I'm gonna trade anymore today. It's very, very choppy day, and we'll see what's gonna happen tomorrow for sure. So if y'all want to see more trade recaps like this, subscribe, leave a like, and comment. Yes, sir.